Hi everyone, I'm Sky. I'm an artist. I do painting, ceramic, and drawing. This is one of my paintings here, as you can see them, and also this is one of my drawings I've been working on. Um, well, Addicted to Art has asked me to do some lessons to inspire and to help people to learn more different types of art. So what I'm going to do, I was thinking of giving the lessons on how to draw a portrait. Uh, the reason why I portrait it's because I've realized most of the people they are struggling to draw a portrait, and their struggle is they draw a portrait that is out of proportion. So I want to help you on how to draw a portrait that is in good proportion. So this is our first lessons that we're going to apply. So the first thing that you need to do as you draw a portrait is you have to draw the shape of your face. So we're gonna just draw a round shape of the face. So these are just guidelines, and we are also going to draw lines to divide this round egg shape. So now that we have divided it, what we're going to do is we have the first thing that we're going to draw is the eyes of the face. So the first lesson that I would like to give you, or the first tip, is that what you need to know is the space between the eyes, it is the same size as the eyes. So which means when you measure the eyes, it has to give you the same size as the space in between the eyes. This is our first tip. So now we're gonna draw our eyes. And our second tip, it is how to draw a nose. So how are we going to draw a nose? The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to draw a triangular shape from the eyes. From here, we're gonna do our triangle shape. This is our triangle shape. So why do we draw a triangle shape? So that we can be able to get where our nose has to start, and we're gonna draw our guidelines from here. So that you can get the size of your nose. So this is what you're going to do. And another tip, it's how to draw your lips, how to place your lips. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to draw guidelines from here. Then this is our mouth. Our mouth. And what is the next part? We're going to shape our face. Give our face the real shape. Remember, I said these are just guidelines, don't mind them. They're just helping you to get the right face. And how do we draw our ears now? This is how we're going to draw ears. Right next to your eyes here, that is where your ears begin, until right here at the end of your nose. Same thing as on the other side. So yeah, this is how we draw our portrait to be in a good proportion. So now we can start to build up our drawing. Maybe you can start to do some shading and make it more dark where we want it to be dark. Like for instance, because we have a good proportion, you can start to darken your eyes. Your lips. And we can even do some, put in some hairliner. And for shading, when you shade your eyes, remember right here in between, the iris has to be too dark, has to be black, and the outer part can be lighter than the inner part. And also when you want to draw your eyebrows, the technique that you can use, or the tip that you need to use, is right here next to your eyes. You just do this, and same on the other side. And these are your eyebrows. These are your eyebrows. So yeah, these are just basic lessons on how to draw a portrait to be in a good proportion. And the advice that I could give to you is never stop learning and never stop growing. Because one thing I realized, that as you grow up, you will get to realize that there's a lot that you have been realized, or there's a lot that you don't know. Uh, you grow from this day by day. The more you keep practicing, the more you keep on doing it, there's a lot of things that you're going to learn. So yeah, let us keep learning, and thank you for this opportunity.